How to install Shazam on iPhone 12. So Shazam is a music play app just like Spotify. So if you do not have this installed on your iPhone 12 and I want to install it as an alternative to using Spotify, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to install Shazam on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Then on the App Store screen, click on the search button at the bottom right. Then here, you want to search for Shazam. Then once you search for it, you see the Shazam here, find music and concerts. Now go ahead and click on the get button. Once you hit the get button, hang on. While the Shazam app is installed, or you're going to see a pop that says Shazam, find music and concert, then go ahead and click on install. Once you hit install, you see a pop that says done. In some cases, you'll be prompted to confirm your Apple account password. So go ahead, type in your Apple account password. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and click on the open button, or better still, come to your iPhone app screen, and on the iPhone app screen, locate Shazam or search for it, and then click on it. You see that? Then you'll be prompted to continue and then set up your Shazam account. So that is basically how to install Shazam on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.